And LaSalle is to Jones. Jones working on Hinton. Tries to get a little bit of room. And here's Jones. Jones working on Hinton. Gets a lane, spins off his left hand, and got Wait, Deuce Jones wide open for three. Gets knocked away. Here's Jones. Jones inside. Jones lost the handle for a minute there.
The spot up. LaSalle wants the Bonnies to shoot a lot of three. Bonnies want to get to the back. Bonnies have to get into rotations.
Here's Council getting inside, gets a The ball comes into Jones. Jones for three in the win. They got it! Deuce Jones